Welcome to Paramount Electronics. We are the experts in the repair of industrial and commercial electronics. Today we are going to show you how we are able to exercise an electronic compressor controller that is manufactured by Compair. The function of the C20606 Surescan system is to control the operation of a compressor. We have developed a sophisticated test jig that tests each of the controller's functions and proves it is fully operational before the repaired unit is returned to our customer. Okay. Here we have the test jig and the Compair Surescan controller. Okay, I'm going to start, but you can see from here it goes line, star, and you wait a bit for the delta part to come up, and there you go. And then I'll bring up the pressure. You can see on the 7-segment display there. Okay, it's coming up. I'll leave it somewhere there where it's like in use all the time like that. And then if you look at the LCD, you can see the temperature. I can play around with the temperature as well. Okay, well, I don't want to go too high and create an alarm just yet. Right, so that's working fine. No alarms. You can see over here all the different alarms, indications and that. And I'm going to create an alarm now. Overload, we'll do an overload on there. There you go. And it's showing motor there. And spanner indicate it needs some attention. Right, I'm going to clear that alarm now and reset it here. And there we go, it's back to normal. I could do another one maybe. Do you want to do that one? Yeah, we'll do. There's the temperature fault. Okay, I'll turn that back off. Alright, and now I'll just stop the thing. There we go. Oh, it did stop it already. Okay, hang on. It's ready to start. Beg your pardon. There we go. There you are. It's running again. All okay. Pressure come up. Temperature good. There's no alarms. Everything's fine. Okay, I'm going to stop it again. So we'll just stop. There. And it's just blowing at the moment. And thank you for watching.